In focus now, West Virginia Attorney General J.B. McCuskey. And of course, he'll be arguing before the U.S. Supreme Court tomorrow. So when you hear Becky Pepper Jackson saying that, they want the same thing as peers, what does that mean exactly?
So the West Virginia law is fair to both sexes. And I think it's really important to note here that we wouldn't be sitting here today if West Virginia hadn't been sued by the ACLU. And so our law is noticeably constitutional, and it is completely fair because it treats biological males and biological females the same.
And what is the law exactly that the U.S. Supreme Court will come down on tomorrow?
Yeah, it's called the Save Women's Sports Act, and it was passed by the West Virginia legislature in 2001. And it's a very simple law, and all it says is that biological males should be playing sports against other biological males. And that just makes common sense because we know that there are physical characteristics that men have that give them an unfair advantage on the playing field and can also make the playing field unsafe for girls who are just trying to enjoy the incredible benefits of competitive sports, not just for leadership in life, but also financial benefits when it comes to scholarships and professional athletics as well.
Yeah, and when this issue is fought over and those girls are punished by not letting them compete with others who are like them, because men and women are different. We have different chromosomes. That's not news.
Yes,
and you can't change that with a drug or surgery. So those scholarships and things have really come into play. Now, I said moments ago that this really has an effect on cases across the country, on every young girl, every female athlete. What do you say about that?
Yeah, I think first and foremost, I think once again Congress has failed to act here. This would be a lot easier if Congress would step up and pass some common sense legislation in this area. And once again, this has been pushed down into the states and the Republican attorney generals. But what this means is that West Virginia's law will be found by the Supreme Court to be constitutional, which will give every other state which is working on this important issue the confidence to move forward and pass these laws that protect our women and girls on the playing field.
All right, real quickly. Will you win?
Yes, we are going to win, and my prediction is we will have a 9-0 decision. We are right on the law, we're right on the facts, we're right on the Constitution, and importantly, we are right in terms of common sense and public opinion.
Well, if the presidential election is any indication on this specific issue, you could be right. We'll be covering every bit of it. Appreciate you being here.
Thank you, Harris.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.